and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. It ended up becoming a great moneymaker. A couple deals did not work out in my favor, so I am going to try that again on Tuesday. I wanted to do the toothpaste deal, but my store didn't have it labeled. They didn't have the CoverGirl makeup labeled, and I'm just like, I don't know what ones, you know, what's on sale and what's not on sale, because sometimes when you want to do that. But another thing I also just thought of is make sure you guys comment on the Walgreens website to get a price checker in the store. Some of you guys did do it, and some of you guys say your store already has that. If they do, that means it's required by law that they have to have a price checker. But if you guys don't, definitely do that. And some of you guys mentioned that you use the app. Yes, I use the app all the time, but what I like to use a price checker for is if it's on sale, because not always the app is always up to date with brand new items. And I also want to know if clearance prices are the price that they are, because there are times where I buy one of their like summer stuff, it's like marked 30% off. Well, you can go scan it. Oh, look at that, it's 70% off. So that is why I would want to get a price checker. So make sure you guys are commenting on Walgreens Facebook page to get a price checker for your guys' stores. I think if I can get, like, you know, 1,000 people commenting, they'll probably do something about it. So let's keep this going and start commenting. So again, like I said, I didn't do the Crest deal and I didn't do the CoverGirl deal because something just wasn't right. So what I ended up getting is I got the Gillette razors. Now, some of your stores might have the $1 off coupon on there, and some of them might not, but if you guys need that coupon, there's those. Otherwise, they are available in the August P&G. Now, you guys can only do this deal once per transaction, so you guys can do this deal as many times as you want, one per transaction. So these were $6.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon, you guys would just pay $5.99 for these. But then you got, oh, now I got the hiccups. You guys would end up getting a $5 register reward. Ugh. So now these will end up being just 99 cents for just a razor. It's a pretty decent deal. It's not the best razors, but these are sometimes better than some of the disposables. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Scott's toilet paper, $5. Now, right now they have a deal where you guys would, these are on sale for $5, like always. But there is a deal in the Walgreens booklet where you guys can get $1 off. Now, I had a $1 off coupon thanks to somebody who sent me the coupons. But a lot of you guys didn't have those coupons. They do have 50-cent off coupons. So if you guys don't have those 50 cents, it's still a pretty good deal if you guys can even get it for $4. But what I ended up using is you pay $5 for it. You use that $1 off coupon or 50-cent off coupon. You also use that $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. But if you guys have that $1 off coupon, you guys would end up paying just $3. If you guys don't have that $1 off coupon, yeah, if you guys don't have that $1 off coupon, it ends up being $3.50, which is still a pretty good deal. But then in Ibotta, you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just $2. So you guys would pay $3 for it, submit that $1 rebate, and you guys would just get this for $2. So $2 for a 12-pack of toilet paper, I think, is a very good deal. So I wanted to share you guys with that. Now, the paper towels are the same deal minus the Ibotta rebate. So these are, again, $5. You guys use that $1 off coupon, or if you don't have that, a 50-cent off coupon. You guys would use that $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would either get this for $3 or $3.50. So that comes up to be a pretty decent deal if you guys are interested in that. I just wanted to stock up. Now, I have a ton of paper products. I have so much that I don't need to get it, but when sometimes there's great deals like that, I just want to get it just to share with you guys. I ended up getting the Rohoto Dryade Relief. Now these were on sale for $9.99. You guys use that $5 off coupon that we got in our inserts a couple weeks ago. So you guys would end up paying $4.99 for this. But then you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making this absolutely free, or like a 1-cent moneymaker. So definitely do that deal if you guys want to. Now I also finished level 2 because I thought I just needed 2 more rebates, but it didn't update. It's like a little behind, but that's okay. We got that factored in. Now I ended up getting that Renew Advanced Formula Eye stuff. Now, as you guys watched my haul last week, there was those $5 off coupons that they had a hang tag. Plus there is $5 regular coupons. So that coupon does let you do 2. So these are $9.79. You guys use that $5 off manufacturer coupon. And you guys can use that $5 off Walgreens booklet, making it a 21-cent moneymaker. Now, a lot of you guys were confused by this because Walgreens does not do overage. That is true. Walgreens does not do overage. The only time they do overage is if it involves the Walgreens booklet. So what I end up doing is I always have them scan my coupons first, and then after they scan all the coupons, then I have them scan the booklet. So then there's that. But you guys also want to make sure you have extra items, you know, to make up for the overage. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. So this just comes out to be a 21-cent moneymaker. So take advantage of this deal if you guys are interested in that. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. I don't even wear glasses. I don't wear contacts. So I give all my eye stuff to my brothers because they use it like crazy. I ended up getting the Atlantis pens. Now, I really like clickable pens. So these were $1.50 on sale, so 2 for $3. You guys want to use those dollar off coupons that we got in the newspaper a couple weeks ago. You guys would just get these for 50 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Now, they have them available in like the pastel colors like purple, blue, pink, and green. Otherwise, you can get black, a dark blue, a red, and a green. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I really like these, and for 50 cents a piece, I think that's a pretty okay deal. I ended up getting the soft soap body wash. Now these were $3.99. Now we had those dollar off coupons that were available on coupons.com a couple weeks ago. The manufacturer coupons expired on the 4th, but the digital coupon, or the coupons.com coupons, were still good until the 21st. So you guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons from the soft soap body wash. You guys would end up paying $6.48. But then you guys will get 4,000 points for buying 2 of these. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So you guys would end up getting these for just $2.48. That comes out to be like $1.25 a piece. Okay deal. It's not the greatest, but it's an okay deal. And if you guys pay with points like for your whole transaction, then it's a pretty good deal because you get these for free anyways. And the same deal goes on with the Irish Springs. Now these were $3.99. There was those dollar off coupons that were on coupons.com that are no longer available. You guys want to use 2 of those dollar off coupons. You guys would just pay $5.98. But then you guys will get 4,000 points for buying 2 of them. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So these come out to be just $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So we got that. Now that wasn't even labeled at my store. They didn't have hardly anything labeled, but I knew that deal because that deal is pretty obvious. It's just straightforward. It's the toothpaste that I didn't know it was on sale because they have 3 different sizes, so I wasn't sure on that, but I will be going back to do that deal. But yeah, I like to share with you guys some great deals. My total came to $21.12 for everything. I ended up getting $6.25 with Ibotta. I got the $5 back for the Rojoto, and then I got $1 back from the Scots, and then I had a 25-cent any receipt, so $6.25. I ended up receiving a $5 register reward that I got for the Gillette razors, so I'm going to be doing that deal again. And then I ended up getting 20,000 points worth points. I ended up hitting beauty, so that was 5, and then I got 4,000 for the body wash, 4,000 for the other body wash, and then I think it's because it's the 10 times $20 price or whatever. So I ended up getting 11 items, and everything ended up being a $10.13 moneymaker. I got everything absolutely for free, and I made some. I'm pretty excited for that when that happens. But yes, I definitely want to do the CoverGirl deal, and I definitely want to do the Crest deal. I'm just hoping the next store I go to is labeled. I know it's usually that store that I go to on Sundays, it's a 24-hour store. Usually they're pretty good, but it's hard to say. Sometimes they just might have been swamped or some other deals like that. But one thing I do want to share with you guys is if you guys did order a Coupon Addict t-shirt, a lot of you guys were asking if I will be bringing them back. Yes, I have decided I will be bringing them back November 1st. I have to sell 11 of them to even print, so I'd rather just, you know, wait a little bit and then bring them back for that. So there's that. And then if you guys have ordered them over the last couple weeks and you guys are just receiving them, you guys have until the end of the month to send me a picture. I'm going to do a little montage video of everybody wearing their shirts. I got a good amount, but I would always love to get more shirts. So send me your pictures. You can send it to me through Facebook Messengers, Deals by DesignerJen on Facebook. You can also do it through Instagram. So send me your pictures. I'm pretty excited to see everybody's picture, you know, of them in their shirt. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I always show you guys Walgreens hauls. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.